Install the Smart Life app. Apple iOS. Search for Smart Life in App Store. Find the app and then click Install. The alternative approach is to use your smartphone to scan the QR code on the control box. Then visit the App Store to install. App Set. 1. Switch on your phone's Bluetooth, location, network, and VLAN. 2. The user agreement and privacy policy prompt will show when you launch the Smart Life app for the first time. Please click Agree. The app won't be accessible if you choose Disagree. 3. After that, choose Login or Try Now. If you select Login, you must first enter your account and password. Choose I agree and then click Login. In the event that there isn't a Smart Life login account, you must first register an account by clicking Register in the top right corner of login interface. A message stating some app features may not be available without login will appear if you select Try Now. So in this situation, you don't have to select I agree. Click Continue to access the application. 4. On the user interface, click Add Device. When prompted, click Continue, then allow only while using the app. When a prompt reading app is requesting the following access permission appears. Go to Add Device page after providing access.